Hey guys, my name is Phillip Lopez, aka Uncle Phil here with Niches Be Crazy. And in this video, I'm going to be doing a drop funnels tutorial. Now we're going to be focusing on how to create an email opt-in landing page. So guys, if you look in the description area below, you'll see that there's a link to go get a free 14-day trial of DropFunnels. Also, you can just look above. You should see something that says DropFunnel review. I did a little more in-depth review of DropFunnels. If you want to go take a look at that, see about the pricing, see what you get, and all that good stuff, you can just click on that and go check that out after you see this video. Okay, so let's get to it. All right, guys, let's get to it. All right, so what we need to do is go over to marketing, guys. This is where the crux of everything happens, guys. Over here, you have your leads. This is basically a little CRM. Also, sales shows you what sales you made because you actually have a cart with that you can use with DropFunnels, kind of like similar to ClickFunnels. You have a little cart you can use as well. You can do order bumps and stuff like that, right? Which is really neat, right? You have products and memberships, so you can add as many products and memberships as you want, guys. You can create as many sales funnels as you want, unlimited sales funnels. The only thing you're really limited on is views per month, right? Depending on what pricing package you're on, okay? Just letting you know that. You also have a little link tracker here, guys, and then you have integrations, which will be for like your payment settings, which will be PayPal, NMI, and Stripe, okay? So with that being said, guys, I'm not going to go too in depth with that, guys. You can go check out my review, like I said before, on that if you'd like to see that. Let's go into the funnel section, and that's where we're going to find templates and where we can actually start building some pages, okay? As you look here, I already messed with some stuff here, guys. We're just going to start from scratch, and we're not going to be using any templates, guys. I'm going to go in there and just show you how to start from scratch. All right, just make a simple opt-in page, guys. You don't have to do anything crazy. But if you wanted to, guys, you could go in here and just, select one of these templates and just modify it for what you got going on, okay? So, like I said before, we're just going to go in here and we're going to name this thing first of all. So we're going to call it email lander. All right. And right there, that's our slug. All right, we're gonna drop it in since we're gonna select. Hold on, did I select it? I don't think I did. Let's try that again. All right, so we want to start from scratch. Do I have from scratch? Oh yeah, start from scratch here. So you go to webinar registration, you can start from scratch. Let's go ahead and drop that in. We have our name here. All right, so we have our page here, guys. And over here, you have all kinds of stuff. You can do webhooks, you get payment integration, order confirmation, all this stuff that you can do, guys. If you want, you can mess with your URL here. You can mess with your favicon, stuff like that. I think it's here. I don't remember. You can put tracking codes. You can put a thumbnail. Here's the funnel icon. I don't think that's a favicon. I think it's actually within the page builder. Headers, footers, that kind of deal. And you can make custom headers and custom footers too, right? If you want that to go on all your pages or different ones to go on different pages. Now, with that being said, let's go over to funnel flow again. We're going to go over to the builder, which you can do that by right here, guys. By the way, these are all different pages in your funnel. Okay, right? So you can have multiple pages. You can, duplicate them and stuff like that, and you can split test them, stuff like that. We're not going into that right now, but I'm just letting you know. This is the blank page that I have. Let's go in here and click on here to go to the builder, and we're just going to create a simple opt-in page. Okay, so it's pretty much just going to be blank. I'm not going to go crazy with it, guys. If you look here, guys, we're just going to go in here and find, drag it. Let's find an opt-in page, okay? And maybe, let's see, find an opt-in page. There it is, or an opt-in module, better yet. Give it a second, guys. And if you look here, guys, you can actually pick from these different autoresponders. But if you look here, I use Aweber, but if you just leave it on choose, you can actually use the CRM they have here in DropFunnels, which shows you where the lead goes, and you can actually create an email that goes out to them automatically. But you cannot be going in here and you can't go in here and just expect them to be a full-blown autoresponder. I'm just going to tell you that right now. So I'm just going to leave it on choose, guys, just for the purposes of this video. But as you can see here, guys, as you can see, it made a little, it put that in there. But as you can see here, it has a phone number here, and I don't really need that. So what I can do is see it says phone field, it says show. We're just going to hide that. And that's pretty much it, guys. Now, what I want to do on top of that is save it. All right. And make things really simple. Okay, so if you look up here, guys, there's a little plus button. If you go down, let's see, we're just going to look for text. You know what? We can just look for it. If you hit this little magnifying glass, you can just look for stuff. Text. All right. Fancy text, call out, whatever. Text editor. We're going to look for text editor. All right. So for text editor, all right, I'm going to go under. I'm going to put something big here. All right, so we're going to put on a turn In fact, what we'll actually do, guys, is we will cancel that and we'll see if we can put in a column above that. We'll go to rows, put in the column. What do we put one above there? Let's see. Let's try that. So now we got a column above this opt-in form. Let's see if we do it that way. All right, just for the heck of it. Now let's go back to text. The text editor. I'm not using fancy text. I don't know what to do with that. And we can put wanna. I use Facebook a lot to market my business, right? So wanna. How would you like? Let's be a little bit more professional, I guess. You like to turn your Facebook profile? We'll put a FB profile. Can't spell. So we'll go here, click on that. We'll center this text. Oops. We'll go in here and well, you know what? Let's make it bigger. All right. So let's go here. See if we can make this a header or a heading one. All right. We'll make it bold. Oops. Okay. And guys, often these little simple pages like this work just fine. You know, like we get crazy with this stuff, but like I mean, it works just fine sometimes, just like this. All right. And if you look here, guys, that's pretty simple. What we could do is just you know, duplicate that, and on the second one, we can make that into a little subheading, right? Simple stuff, guys. Let's make this just a paragraph. Pre-formatted, I guess. Oh, that doesn't look good. I don't know what that means. I've seen that before. Oh, paragraph. That's what I want. Okay. So let's make that normal. All right. Complete. Enter your best, your enter your name and best email below for instant access. All right. So we got that there, guys. Now, what we want to do here, guys, is kind of change up this button right here. It's kind of like small. It's kind of ugly. Or it's just kind of plain. Let's put it that way. Okay. We're going to go here. Got the name and email address. That's fine. All right. We'll come and mess with this other stuff here in a little bit. Okay. As you can see here, guys, look here, guys. Since I have it, just while I'm doing this, you see how it has a little email that can go to people, right? Or it's a success thing. So basically, when people successfully sign up on here, this is the message that would go out to them. They would see something like this. All right. Alternatively, you can actually have them redirected to somewhere, right? So let's say you wanted to go to another funnel step, you could have them go to the next funnel step, create another funnel, and then right there you can have a little thank you page, right? We're not going to do that. We're just doing an email opt-in page. That's really pretty much it. I say we just redirect, guys. I would say this is, I'm just going to send it over to my other blog, or to my blog, better yet, .com. Just send them there. And if you hit select, guys, I haven't really messed with this too much. Basically, that just lets you send them to like a certain post or something on there. I don't really mess with that, so I'm not going to tell you about that. I'm just to let you know, if you hit that, it's gonna be kind of funky. So just hit OK. So right there, it should send them over, guys. See right there, we're good to go. Let's go over to, let's see what else we need to do. All right, so this font's kind of small. We can make it like a little bit bigger. In fact, let's not do it there. Let's just go here to font. So right there, you're doing it kind of like within a little, uh, what you see is what you get editor or whatever. Over here, you can actually just do this and just click on that, make it a little bit bigger. I think you can, yeah. Let's see if we can make it bigger. See right there. Enter your best email below for instant. Enter your name and best email below for instant access. Okay, just hit save. Really simple page, guys. But these simple pages, they can work, guys, as long as you have targeted traffic. It's if you have targeted traffic, or you know where you're sending people, then it's going to be a lot easier for you to have a better marketing message for them. They're going to be warmed up to what you have to offer them, right? So one thing I do want to do is change the button up here. It just looks kind of crappy. And one thing I do kind of like, guys, is I'll show you here in a little bit. You can add these little particle backgrounds really easily. And I'll show you that before I go any further. And they're kind of like slick looking, just kind of like gamify your page a little bit. That's completely up to y'all whether you want to add something like that, guys. It looks kind of slick if you have like a colored background. As you can see right here, it's. I think I did that wrong because I put this straight up here into. In fact, let's erase this real quick. All right, so I actually added. Okay, so let's go here and do it differently, guys. I don't think I added a column here to begin with. So let's add a column and then add our opt-in page. Okay. All right. So let's go there. Add a column. Add an opt-in page. All right. Let's try that instead. Sorry about that. Just kind of redoing it because I think this will look a little bit better. I think then the particle backgrounds will look a little bit better. Let's go ahead and take off this phone thing. All right. Hide the phone. Okay. Redirect them to my blog, which right here you can just make it your thank you page, guys. Blog, save. All right. And I keep doing that, but what I mean to do is actually go here and do this and change that button up. All right. So let's change the button up. And forgive me if it goes a little slow in some parts, guys. My computer's a little bit older, and it's almost time for a new one for Uncle Phil. It actually is. So I don't know what I clicked on. Let's see if I clicked on the right thing. All right, so let's try this one more time. Hit on the opt-in form settings. Go to button. Let's make this button. That blue is a little bland. Let's make it green or I don't know, maybe a darker blue or something like that. In fact, I heard recently that black looks pretty good. So let's try black. All right, so straight up black on black and white page, right? Let's try a black button just for the heck of it and let's make it rounded. I actually saw this in a training I recently saw. So let's animate it. You can animate it and we'll just do just a little something like that. Oh, that's actually the wrong thing. So let's cancel that. I don't know how I ended up on that. I meant to go to the opt-in form. Let's go to the button. All right, so I was in the wrong part. Sorry about that, guys. And if you look here, guys, I can actually mess with the button background color. All right, let's see what pops. I don't know. I'm always kind of partial to orange. I like orange. I don't know why. So we'll just go with that. We'll go to the general and no, we'll go to the button and change the text on there. Let's see if we can find that. Always forget where it's at. It's right here. Okay. Send. I like putting some like send it here. All right. Let's do that. Let's go over to the typography and make the butt this just a little bit bigger because if you look here, guys, it's kind of blocking this here, right? You can actually move this thing around. It's kind of small font right there for the button, right? So let's make it just a little bit bigger. And I'm in the wrong one, guys. Actually, these can be a little bit bigger too, right? All right, let's make that a little bit bigger. Let's make the button. That's on 25. Let's see if the button comes up to around the same. Button text. There it is. Okay, so you can kind of see that the typography is there. So you want to go to the typography to mess with it that way rather than like the what you see is what you get editor kind of thing, you know? Send it here. All right, that seems big enough. And what else did I want to do? Do your best. Very simple stuff here, guys. Oh, I said I was going to make it black, didn't I? I said it and then I went back on it. So let's go ahead and make it black. Let's make a white text on a black button background. Just to see, I don't think I've ever done that before, and it'll be cool to experiment with that. So let's see with that. Background color. Let's go with straight up black. I don't know. It looks kind of slick. I think it kind of looks kind of slick. So I might start testing that out. Just because I heard that recently, guys. That's what I'm doing that. So, all right. Oh, it changed. Sorry about that. Or something changed. Forgive me. My computer's a little bit slow here. All right. So it's been a little crazy there for a little bit, but I got it. All right. Name and email address. Send it here. We got it redirected. We can go ahead and put done. Publish it. Let's see. Are we missing anything else, guys? I think I said that I was going to animate it. All right. We could animate the button, I think. Let's see if we can go animate the button and make it look a little cool. I think you do that by going to these three dots right here. And guys, I am not a WordPress or a funnel expert or anything like that. I'm just showing you that I'm a regular dude and I'm just kind of messing around with the software. And you can do the same stuff too, guys. It's got pretty cool little animations that you can use. And if you look here, all right. I think I keep going to the wrong part, guys, which is frustrating. It's just my computer. All right. Give me a second here, guys. Let's let it load up. It's just a little slow, unfortunately. Can I do animation here? That's what I forget. I always forget if it's here or in the next page. Button border, radius. So you can put a little border on your button. Say you have a button hover color. Maybe you can make it like grayish or something like that, or maybe blue. Let's, let's see if we can make it something like this. Okay. All right. All right. That might look kind of cool. And I keep pushing save. I don't know why I keep doing that. So, okay, let's try that one more time. It's really just my computer, guys. I'm just kind of like frustrated at how slow it is sometimes. Okay, so let's see if we can go over to advanced here. Advanced. I wonder if it will let me animate that button. So here we go. Okay, cool, guys. All right, so we can go here and have it kind of like the wobble. Let's see, rolling, jello. Let's do the tada. Right. So it's the whole thing. It's not just the button, it's the whole thing. Since this is all a module on its own, or I guess you'd say an element or whatever, that's fine. It'll wobble all together. Screw it. That's fine. All right, that'll work, guys. And there it is, guys. It'll pop. Let's see how it looks on mobile, guys. All right. And guys, of course, you can add like a privacy policy page. I actually have one myself, guys. And in fact, I'll show you here that this is what's cool. I'm not going to show you how to do that because I just want you to create something quick. That part's pretty easy, guys. You could actually do it really, in fact, you can do it really easily. But I want to show you how this looks on mobile. So go back to the funnel editor, go to key. All right. All right. Looks pretty cool there. Let's try mobile, probably the most important one. Send it here. All right. Pretty cool. Looking good. There it is there on that. And yeah, it's looking good, guys. Let's see if I can do one last thing, guys, on this whole thing. Let's see. Particle backgrounds. I wanted to mess with this just because I never really used it before. It's just like little lines, dotted lines connected or lines connected together that look kind of cool in the background. And I don't know. I just thought they were kind of slick, and I think I just pushed on the wrong darn thing again. Okay, so we hit cancel. Can't get frustrated by this stuff too much, guys. It happens. Sometimes you click on the wrong thing. All right, let it load up. See how it says row. You need to make sure you're in the row. That's how I keep screwing up. I keep going into like some of the other things, but I need to go into the row. So there's the row. All right, enable particle backgrounds. All right, and you'll see what I'm talking about here in a second, guys. It's gonna be like a little gamification of your page. Looks kind of sick. We'll leave that on there, guys, just 'cause I think it looks kind of cool. The only thing is, I don't know if does it work on mobile. I haven't tested that out. So let's see how that looks on mobile. There it is. All right, let's preview it. Okay, let's see. All right, looks like it works on mobile too, which is pretty cool. It's like a little spider web kind of thing, right? Pretty cool stuff here, guys. And the last thing I'll show you guys is just like, so basically you can actually create templates. As you can see, I have a footer template, or you can just go to save. I have it saved, so it's MBC Reloader. So MBC Reloaded and Niches Be Crazy Reloaded is actually the new blog I'm working on. So to see if that loaded correctly or that was entered correctly. I don't think I did that right. Hold on, just a second. All right, so no, I didn't. So let's put another little row down here, or another little column down here. Okay, can Phil do it correctly? All right, let's try that. All right, so it's there. You can see it by the little dotted line it has. Let's go ahead and go to saved and see if I can reload. Hit my little thing here. Okay. All right. Let's see if that works. That is not the right one. Sorry, that is actually a footer. So let's try that one more time. All right, saved NBC. Didn't I have NBC? I thought I did. Let's go to templates. Maybe I guess I hadn't saved it, guys. I thought I had a privacy policy. Oh, here it is. Okay, I missed it, guys. That's actually what I want. I wanted my privacy policy stuff here. So if you look here, I'm going right here. It's going to be at the bottom of the page. Should be good to go, guys. And you could do something like this, guys, by just linking something with text. And I always recommend doing that stuff, guys. See, it's kind of small, nothing crazy. It's not in your face. You can save it. This actually is from Recurring Rockstar. So what I can do is, instead of having Recurring Rockstar, and in fact, I actually need to change that because I do have it going to a product, but I can make this privacy policy page go to the one on my website. I'm still not done with the blog here on DropFunnels, but I do have one on my regular website, and I can redirect people to that privacy policy, right? So that's pretty much it, guys. I can go in here. I can mess with this. You can actually go in here and just let's see if I can mess around with it, make it look better, and put niches be crazy or NBC reloaded. NBC reloaded. Just be crazy reloaded. All right. And then I'm gonna go over here and go to my legal page is over here, just for now, right? Let's just be crazy reloaded. All right, this is actually my regular blog. All right, and I'm just gonna link them here because this has all of my, all the pages I need, anti-spam, DMCA, and all that stuff, guys. And that's really what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go here. This is just to save time. Is all it is, guys. All right. So it just tells me that I need to create this over here on this site. All right, guys. And voila. Look, guys, I got a cool looking little opt-in page. I think it's cool. You can redirect this to wherever you want, guys. If you have your own, like I actually have my own train, I could send to people here, and I think it's kind of cool, guys. So I hope you've enjoyed my little video here, guys. It probably went a little longer than I needed to, but you know what, guys? I'm not a super techie guy, right? So it takes me a little while. So you might be faster at this, you might be slower at this than me, but just have a little bit of patience, guys. DropFunnels is an excellent platform you can use to market your business. It doesn't really matter what business. You can even blog on there. You can do all kinds of stuff on there. But here's how to create your own email opt-in landing page. With DropFunnels, guys. I think y'all can do this, guys. I think you'll like it, and I think the 2-week free trial is actually worth a shot. All right, so like I said before, you can actually go to the description area below. You can go check out a 14-day free trial, see if it's for you. Build a couple of funnels on there. If you want, I can send over this funnel to you. It's up to you, guys. That's a pretty cool little page, I think. What's it called? Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And if you get something out of my video here, I would appreciate a like, a comment, anybody subscribing, of course. And if you have any thoughts, you can just let me know below. Thank you so much, guys. And this is Phillip Lopez out. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.